Alright, just got done pressure washing. Looks good. See how much of the dirt and algae on the edge here is gone. All of it, actually. And so you see what we're going to be working with here. Here's the biggest problem right here, these seams. When they built this, all they did was put like a bead of caulk or something on there. So what we're going to do is put an elastomeric patch over the seam, fiber tape to hold it in together for expansion, and then patch on top of that. Then we're going over the entire roof with 2 coats of an elastomeric roofing system. So it's going to be completely waterproof, and what I'm going to do is patch those seams, and then I'm just going to put patching over top of each of these screws. That's what they did previously, but this new stuff, make it, you know, just more coats on top of it. You keep those screws away from the weather, and they won't rust. So that's the plan. Let me get to it.